YouTube, what's up? We back. Another quarantine episode. We getting y'all ready. Since y'all in the house, focus on getting that beard together. Getting that luxurious joint up in there. All of the shining. I prepped my beard before I did this. So we coming back with an episode, man. I'm going to put y'all on, man. Apple cider vinegar. ACV watch. Apple cider vinegar. So we just going to probably call it ACV through the episode or not. We'll see. But it's real essential. Apple cider vinegar has a ton of benefits. I'll give it a little, since y'all don't know what I'm talking about. Don't just go get no regular vinegar, y'all. Apple cider vinegar. You can get it from Walgreens. I'll have a link in the description below if you guys want to buy it offline and whatsoever. But I use this for a lot of things. It's good for a lot. It's good for inner, outer, fat loss. You can do a lot of things with it. Put it in your tea, appetite suppressant. It's good at detoxifying your hair. It's good for your skin. There's a lot of germs that you can't see or that you even know about that you're even contacting. So today I thought, okay, let me get y'all how I do this. What I do. It's real simple. It's real easy. It's nothing that's gonna take long. All you guys need to do is get you some apple cider vinegar. Like I said, I have a link in the description below. Usually at Walgreens, go to any hair store, go online, Google it, get this sent to your house. Amazon is still delivering, I believe. And as you can see, I use it. So this ain't no phony promo like, yeah, use this with a full bottle. I use this stuff for a lot of things. And you got your spray bottle. Get this from anywhere for $1. Y'all know. Come on. I know somebody in your house got a $1 spray bottle. You can get this from anywhere. Hair supply store. You can order them offline. Dollar Tree. I see them in there. Sometimes I got a ton of these laying around. So what you want to do, the easy part, we all know how to screw and unscrew. Get you a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Not a lot. This stuff is strong. It's very acidic. So, one part. I probably maybe go 2 part. Just a little bit in the bottle. That's all you need. Y'all see that? It's just a little bit. Not a lot. Then about 12 parts water. But no, seriously. Like, you just want to dilute it real good. Like, I like it light brown. If you like it stronger, you can go less. But I like to give it maybe half a bottle or that light brown look as you're looking at it. Bam, we good. Good to go, man. Sit this on your ledge next to your shower, next to your tub. That's it. It's yours. Shake it up. This is for you. Don't let your lady touch it. This is for you. But it's real good, man. You spray it on your beard when you get in the shower, real quick, real simple, real easy. And you just go ahead about your business. Normally, shower and get cleaned up how you do. I don't know. You use what you use? A loofah? What you use? A towel? I don't really care. You know what I mean? That's your business. But you let it just seep in there. You let it sit in there. And then at the end, you just shower your beard off with water and you're good. And there's a lot of toxins. You got air pollution, you got grease, you got beard wash, you got beard shampoo, a lot of different things that you use with maybe not natural products or not fully organic that can be still latched onto your beard, including the shampoo, what you thinking is, oh man, this clean my beard. Sometimes the shampoos have a lot of agents in them that's not really natural for your hair. This apple cider vinegar, you're fine. Apple cider vinegar and water is going to deal with all of that. Honestly, man, from years of having a beard, I can say that doing all of these things have helped my beard. Like before and after, my beard was real rough, real scruffy. You know what I'm saying? Now it's very luxurious. It feels good. It's soft. It's fluffy. It's doing what it's supposed to do. My hair is very trainable. Boy, you getting all them kinks out you don't want that. You don't want that. So apple cider vinegar wash, I suggest you do it twice a month. I do it maybe twice, sometimes maybe three times. It won't hurt if you go a little more and feel like you need to use it, because that's something you can never really tell somebody according, like, oh, you should use the shampoo this much. Oh, you should use. You got to kind of know your skin. You got to kind of know your hair a little bit to know if you got an oily scalp already, then you might not want to use too much, things of that sort. And if it's dry, then you might want to use a little extra. I suggest you guys get this, man. If you got a beard, go ahead and get y'all some ACV. Well, obviously the spray bottle too, but get you some apple cider vinegar, spray bottle, and, water. If you want to really be a little expensive, you can get the coconut water too. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, man, water in the sink. If you want to go a little more bougie, go ahead and boil that water. Wait till it cool before you put it in here, though. But yeah, apple cider vinegar for your beard, man. It's great. If you guys want to know all the benefits of apple cider vinegar, let me know. Like, I use it for a ton of things. We can get deep. You know what I'm saying? Fellas, it's y'all channel. Hey, man, like, comment, and subscribe on the video, man. Stop hitting me up with all of these texts, man. I ain't got time to read through them, man. Man, put them in there. I can go through, and I'm going to make a video, and I got y'all, man. This ain't no one-part channel. This is, we sharing this channel, fellas. What's up, man? Holla at your boy, man. Randomly Fly, signing out with another one.